How to activate Pluxee card. Now, if you already received your physical card on hand, then it's gonna need to activate it via their official site. Before anything else, Pluxee is actually formerly known as Sodexo Benefits and Reward Services, which is you can use it as a meal, use it as a payment method to purchase meal, for your fuel, and for your grocery needs. So activating it, just simply open up any preferred web browser that you can use. Even if you're using your mobile device, you can still do this method. So just head straight to pluxee.in. In here, just simply click on logged in, and then you will be redirected to choose what specific account are you in, if either a consumer, client, or merchant. So just choose on consumer or one of the card user. In here, you just have to log in using your phone number or email address associated with your Pluxee account. Then once you hit on continue with the security text, you will receive a one-time password or OTP via SMS. Simply input that here and then hit on continue. Now activating it, just head straight to the card section and then just simply follow along the on-screen prompts for you to dig down into setting up your 4-digit PIN. And there you go. That is how you activate your Pluxee card.